Hey guys, this is Brian, the Boxcar Reptiles. We're back with another egg cutting. We've got our 7th clutch. This clutch is 100% pied. It comes from my Leopard Yellowbelly pied male, and it's the female is a 100% pied, and so pretty easy, basic clutch. Also pretty fun because they're all 100% pies. So we're going to see if we can get some pumpkin pies. We're going to see if we can get some leopard yellow bellies, or some leopards just straight up. But there's 6 of them, 6 eggs. So we'll go ahead and cut them. We're going to set them back in here. We empty some of the water out. That way they don't have too much water. Don't like to put them in. I put a lot of moisture in there to keep the eggs moist, but when I hatch them, I don't want them in a ton of water. So we'll go ahead. This one already peeked out. We'll start with that one. Just go in where she's already made the hole. I can feel her moving. Stop, you have no right. So yeah. Alright, so we got a yellow belly right off. Is it a leopard? It looks like it is a leopard. So the yellow bellies cause the real yellow little speckles, and the leopard like makes the leopardy look. So that's pretty cool. So our first one is a double hit. So let's do this one next. I'm gonna try to get everything away from the egg so that we cut it and then cut any blood lines. Actually, should probably be doing this tissue, that way if they do. This clutch seems a little drier than the last clutch. Looks like this one, not a yellow belly. Looks like it's a plain leopard pied. So, like a lot of color, it looks like. It looks like the leopard pie. So it's not as yellow and bright as this one. So all of these, the male actually has het clown in it. Het clown. All of these babies have a 50% chance of having clown. It's almost a pure white snake. So that looks like a pumpkin pie. The line down the back is really straight. Probable leopard, but it's probably just a pumpkin pie. So it's a yellow belly pie. Let's get the next one and start getting it ready. I got a little blood from the last egg. Maybe I'll clean that up between. So this is number 4, and that is almost a completely white snake. I know that the mom does not have yellow belly, so I know it's not going to be a pure white snake. But when they're all mainly white like that, it's really hard. Here's the belly button. It's really hard to tell what it is. So I have no clue what that snake is. It looks pure white, but it's not. I can actually see there it is. So it looks like we got another yellow belly. Maybe a leopard. I see more of it, but it looks like a yellow belly. It's kind of crazy. It's almost pure white. Okay, let's take this egg. just barely tried to cut the egg. This one has a lot more color, I can already tell. And it's a leopard. See how much more scrambled the top is. A lot of scrambled here. And bright yellow. That one could be a leopard yellowbelly. Now this one right here is definitely a yellowbelly. I can already see. Really bright. And it's a straight yellowbelly. There's no leopard in that. But see how it's so yellow. No leopard in that though. It's just it's called a pumpkin pied. So anyway, it's kind of cool. So we got 6 pied snakes. Pretty cool. We'll do an update when they come out and they do their first sheds and they get their first meal into them. We'll do an update and show the awesome colors they'll have some awesome colors when they come out and we get them fed first time and they shed. We'll see their true colors. We'll do an update. Talk to you later. Like, subscribe. I appreciate it.